restart. Solution. Now we're going to have 9 raised to power x minus x raised to power 4 is equals to 65. First thing is to break 9 into 3 raised to power 2 in bracket x minus x raised to power 2 times 2 is equals to 13 times 5, which will give us 65. Right, at this point you also know that a raised to power m in bracket is the same as a raised to power n bracket m outside, also equals to a raised to power mn. Please take note of this, right? So at this point I'm going to break it now. 3 raised to power x outside minus x raised to power 2 is equals to 13 times 5. There's another rule that will help us to break it from here. The rule says a square minus b square is equals to open bracket a plus b close bracket open another one a minus b. Because of this, now we're going to break this one like that, which is 3 raised to power x 3 raised to power x minus x raised to power 2 close the bracket, you open another one, sorry, it's plus 3 raised to power x minus x raised to power 2 close the bracket is equals to 13 times 5. 13 times 5. Now let's move to this side so that you can be able to see what I'm doing properly. Now we have 3. The first bracket is 3 raised to power x plus x raised to power 2. You can equal it to 13. This is equal 13. Then the second bracket is 3 raised to power x minus x raised to power 2 is equals to 5. At this point we can add them together. So when we add them together, we're going to have 3 raised to power x times 2, because it's 3 raised to power x plus 3 raised to power x. We're going to have times 2. But this will cancel this other. At the end of the day, you have 18. That is 3 raised to power x dot 2 is equals to 18. So divide both sides by 2. So these two will cancel each other. The end we left with 3 raised to power x is equals to 9. 3 raised to power x is equals to 3 raised to power 2. Cancel the base. Our x is equals to 2. That's the final answer. I want you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching.